In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Integrating Trello with Microsoft Teams can enhance your team's productivity by making project management seamless and straightforward. Let's dive right into the steps you need to take. First, start by opening Microsoft Teams. You can do this either by launching the application installed on your desktop or simply accessing it through your web browser. Once you have Teams open, navigate to the specific team or channel where you want to add that Trello integration. This selection is important because it determines where all your Trello information will be accessible within Teams, ensuring your team members can easily find and cooperate on tasks. Now let's add a new tab. At the top of the channel interface, you'll see several options. Look for the plus sign, which is the button you'll click to add a new tab. This is where you can customize your channel to best fit your team's needs. Next, you'll want to search for Trello. In the search bar that appears after you click the plus button, type Trello. When you do this, you should see the Trello app pop up in the list of available services. Click on it to proceed. After selecting Trello, you'll need to sign in. Click the option to connect and log in using your Trello account credentials. If you happen to be already logged into Trello in your browser, this step might happen automatically, which can save you some time and hassle. Once you are successfully logged in, it's time to select your board. You'll see a list of your Trello boards displayed on your screen. Choose the specific board you want to display in this channel. This board is where all your tasks, cards, and project management will take place. So pick the one that's most relevant to the discussions and work happening in this channel. Finally, after you make your selection, your Trello board will appear as a new tab at the top of your channel in Microsoft Teams. This is a powerful feature because it centralizes your workflow, allowing team members to click on the Trello tab, view, and collaborate on projects without needing to switch between different applications. There you have it. You've successfully integrated Trello with Microsoft Teams. This integration will keep your team informed and engaged as you move through projects. Feel free to explore further ways that Trello can enhance your workflow in Teams, like adding comments, assigning tasks, or updating card statuses right within your chat platform. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more